So today we're going to make this soup. I'm calling it poor man's soup. It's very, very easy. There are very few ingredients in it. It's a pasta soup basically with just a few veg. It is super delicious, very, very budget friendly, super tasty. And this one I'm doing is actually vegetarian and vegan at the same time. Wow, let's get on with it. So let's take a look at these ingredients. There are very few ingredients and it's very simple. So we've got pasta. You can use any type of pasta you want, you know, like spaghetti or, you know, penne, up to you. Onion, carrot, potato, and as you can see, I've roughly got about the same amounts of all four of those. Salt and pepper, nice tablespoon of garlic, and here I'm using 2 teaspoons of thyme, and you can change that rosemary, basil, up to you. I'm just going in that direction. And we're going to need some liquid. Now you can just use water or you could use some form of stock. So easy. Let's get moving. So we're going to need a large pot, and in there I've got some oil and I'm using olive oil. Use something different if you want. We're going to pop in the onion, the carrot, the potato, which you can see is all cut roughly around the same sort of shape. We're now going to add in the pasta, the garlic, salt and pepper, and the herb of your choice. I'm using thyme. Medium heat, 4 minutes. We're already nearly done. It's so easy and delicious, this one. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes that was, just to get it going. Very simply, we're now going to add our liquid. Now I've got here some vegetable stock, which I'm going to chuck in there. Now if you wanted, you could be, just need to get a little bit more water in there as well. Touch more water. If you wanted, you could be using a chicken stock, beef stock or something. I'm keeping this vegan, so I've got a vegetable stock there. Very simply, lid on. It's going to be about 8 to 9 minutes. You're done. Okay, 8 or 9 minutes. Off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. And get some steam out of there and try and not get it on the camera. Check that for salt and pepper. It's going to be fine for me. Your soup is now done. Apart from, I'm going to drop in some chopped parsley or some other fresh herb you could put in. And that's it. Let me get this in a bowl. Fantastic. And there we have it. Super, super easy, super cheap, super tasty. Just really nice little soup, that is. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up. That does help us out a lot. And do leave a comment. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe, be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.